Ohio State, and they call for an ambulance to take me up there or whatever, which is a crappy ride. But nevertheless, I get up there and I get there by myself, and I have to wait on my wife to get there because she has to drive all the way up there. And they began their tests. And let me tell you, they put me through the ringer. I mean, dude, I had one of those spinal things, like the same way they do like epidurals for women. I swear, I had to set up on the bed and like bend over this thing, and like they stuck this needle in my back.
He's
But
probably like,
so they put me through several MRIs.